Welcome to the ultimate guide to beginner-friendly Facebook marketing strategies. Today, we'll take you through step-by-step instructions to kickstart your journey into the world of Facebook marketing. Hello, and welcome. Let's dive right into it. Step 1. Understand your audience. The first step in any successful marketing strategy is understanding your audience. Who are they? What do they like? What are their pain points? Start by conducting market research. Use Facebook Insights and other analytics tools to gather valuable data about your audience demographics, interests, and behavior. Step 2. Create compelling content. Now that you know who your audience is, it's time to create content that resonates with them. Whether it's engaging posts, captivating visuals, or informative videos, make sure your content provides value and is relevant to your audience's interests. Step 3. Build brand presence. Your Facebook page is the digital face of your brand. Make sure it reflects your brand identity effectively. Use high-quality images, consistent branding elements, and compelling copy to create a cohesive brand presence. Step 4. Leverage Facebook ads. Facebook's advertising platform offers powerful targeting options that allow you to reach your ideal audience with precision. Start with a small budget and experiment with different ad formats and targeting criteria to see what works best for your business. Step 5. Engage with your audience. Building meaningful relationships with your audience is crucial. Respond promptly to comments, messages, and reviews. Encourage conversations, ask questions, and foster a sense of community around your brand. Step 6. Analyze and optimize performance. Regularly monitor the performance of your Facebook marketing efforts using analytics tools. Pay attention to metrics such as reach, engagement, and conversion rates. Use these insights to refine your approach and optimize your future campaigns. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to beginner-friendly Facebook marketing strategies. By understanding your audience, creating compelling content, building a strong brand presence, leveraging Facebook ads, engaging with your audience, and analyzing performance metrics, you can set yourself up for success in the world of Facebook marketing. Thanks for joining us today. For more tips and tricks on Facebook marketing, be sure to follow us on social media and visit our website. Until next time, happy marketing! Don't forget to subscribe and like to get the latest video.